So let's express rational numbers, which are fractions, as decimals. You do that by dividing. We want to take the denominator and divide it into the numerator. So let's do some. Here we have 5/8 and 7/11. So we're going to take the 8 and divide it into 5, the 11 and divide it into 7. Okay, so 8 doesn't go into 5. We put a 0 and we add a 0 here and make it 50. Bring your decimal up after you add that, okay? 8 goes into 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. When you subtract, you get 2. We need another 0. 8 goes into 20 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. We subtract and get 4. Bring down another 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Now we have no remainder, so this one is a terminating decimal. It ends, and 5/8 can be written as 0.625. Now over here, 11 won't go into 7, so we add a decimal. We bring it up, add a 0. 11 goes into 70 6 times. 6 times 11 is 66. 70 minus 66 is 4. We add a 0, bring it down. 11 goes into 40 3 times. 3 times 11 is 33. 40 minus 33 is 7. Bring down your 0 here. 11 goes into 76 times. Now you'll notice there's some repetition here. This is what's called a repeating decimal. It's going to keep going 0.636363. So they would write it this way. The 6 and the 3 are the ones that repeat, and they would put a bar over that. So it would be 0.63 for that one. Now we can also take decimals and turn them back into fractions. The terminating decimals are the easiest ones to do that with. Here's our decimal point. You just need to remember that right after the decimal is tenths, then hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and 100,000ths. Okay? So we're going to express each of these as a terminating decimal as a quotient of integers. Okay? So we're going to take the 7, it's in the tenths place, so we make it 7/10, and that will not reduce. Now I'm going to tell you a little trick here. If there's one digit after the decimal, you're going to have a 1 and 1 0. If there's 2 digits after the decimal, you're going to have a 1 and 2 zeros. This one has 3 digits after the decimal, so you're going to have a 1 and 3 zeros. On this one, this is 49 hundredths, so we put 49/100, okay, a 1 with 2 zeros. This will not reduce. This one is 48 thousandths, so we put 48/1 with 3 zeros. This will reduce. It has a common factor of 8, and in lowest terms, it would be 6/125.